So today, we're taking a product and we're going to test it out in my garage. This is a level 2 EV charger. It's kind of a portable one that runs on the NEMA 50 plug. So it's a 50 up to, well, technically I think it's a 35 amp charger. But J1772, and I have a Tesla. I'm going to use an adapter to adapt that. But if nothing else, this is a sub $200 charger. Retails at $199, but like right now they have 20 bucks off. So you can get it for a decent price. So, with no other things said, let's take it out of the box. Let's see how it comes. Let's see everything it comes with. Let's go out to my garage, let's plug it in and see how it goes. Okay, so yeah, this just arrived, and I thought perfect time to actually do it. So, first of all, we have a nice storage bag. Let's get this out of the way. PFC TART. The actual brand that you pull this off of is YMQHBS. I will put links in the description as well to take a peek at. Let's open it up. And here we go. So we get a little user manual. Like I said, NEMA 50 plug. Nice bubble wrap around it, right? So power, charging, and if it does detect a fault, it'll tell you that it has a fault on it. And then we have just the J1772 plug on it with dust cover. So there we go. And then the release plug does come with a nice little fiber cloth. Great. I don't know if that's for storing it or what. Let's see, back here on the back, looks like there's when you see the green light for power, green light for charging, that's charging completed. If it's charging, the charging light will blink on and off. And then, yeah, they tell you if the fault light blinks 1 time, 2 times, up to 9 times, what that fault is. So that's the little guide back there. So pretty simple, but obviously if you're going to mount this on the wall, kind of take that with that. But it is designed to be portable, so I do like that. Let me take a peek at the owner's manual quick. So I will say one of these pages is misleading. You can see the NEMA 1450 on this side, and the NEMA 620. This is a 20 amp and this is a 50 amp plug. But if you use that chart, 16 amp for the 50 amp, 32 amp for the 20, yeah, I don't think that's right. 32 amp charging with the NEMA 1450, 16 amp with the 20. It is what it is. I don't think it was designed to be a table up and down, but that's a little misleading. And then they obviously go over with the different types of ends and the different types of amperages you should have capable with it. Let's go up and let's plug this in. Okay, so here I'm in my garage. I have my Tesla Model 3 here with its charge port and door. I have a NEMA 1450 plug here that I installed recently. I took my Tesla charger that I have off the wall so I can do these videos of the non-Tesla variants. And on the charger that we're doing here, we have the charger part which has that little whip with the 1450 plug. Now you can, if we plug it in, let me get this so it's not wound up. I'll plug it in here real quick. And we are getting a green power light, no fault light. I'm not going to want to plug this into my car until I'm confident about that. Now, if you're using this in your home a lot, you probably are going to want to put a little, screw in the wall so that it'll hang like this. In this case, I'm going to leave it as a true portable scenario where it's just going to hang down. Now, I have a Tesla. I have to use an adapter to use a J1772 plug. But just like any vehicle, it's going to connect in, and then I can plug this into my car. Okay, let's give it a go. Get a blue indicator there. I am getting a solid charging light currently, and that's because my car is not set to charge. It is charging scheduled, so I am going to open up my Tesla app on here, and it's going to show that I can charge at 32 amps. So it is seeing that I can charge at full 32 amps. I'm going to hit start charging. And now we are charging, and we are charging down here. So you can see down here we have the power light, and then the charging is blinking, indicated that we are actually charging. In the car, you can see it's indicated we are adding 32 miles per hour. We are charging at the full 32 amps. So everything is working exactly as it should. So that's nice. Now I'm only charging 80%, so 5 minutes remaining. Okay, so still charging. I'm gonna go ahead and come up here and push on the button here until it unlocks and release, and I can take my adapter off, put my dust cover back on, and we still have just power. Obviously, if we unplug that, that power light goes out. So there we go. One other thing I wanted to point out is the length of the cable is 16.5 feet. So plenty of cable to get to where you need to go. And this version, again, $189 right now, but $20 coupon. They do have another version of this with a little screen on it. That's the $199 version that I was technically saying before, but $189 minus $20 right now. Now, having a portable charger with you with any EV is key. This one that actually is a full 1450 32 amp level 2 charger, handy to have. Obviously, depending on, if you go to campgrounds, things like that, the big thing that you should definitely do is talk to the campground, because there are going to be campgrounds that will not allow you to charge your EV at least at the full 50 amp, and there are others that will. The thing is that obviously just play it nicely and appreciative, and I've never had a problem yet, but something like this is very handy to have for level 2 charging that you can take with you. Portable chargers are always handy, and having something that can do the full 32 amp charging is pretty awesome. And of course, comes with a carrying bag. That's always a big plus. So I will put a link at the top of the description where you can go on Amazon, check this out and purchase if you'd like, or just check it out, check out the reviews and such. My time with it so far, it does what it's supposed to do, and it charges at the full 32 amps. That's a big plus. Obviously, if you have to have a 1450 plug installed, highly recommend, obviously, calling your electrician. I already had this installed, and so I just swapped it between the two, but then again, I do have electrical in my past. So, that said, guys, thanks for watching to the end of the video. If you have any questions or comments, post those below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll catch you back here on Tech Gooch for another future video review. We'll see you soon.